Let me show you how to view and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Over time, you might have sent a number of friend requests, and you may want to check who they were sent to or cancel any requests that have been ignored. To begin, open Facebook and locate the menu button. This can be found at the bottom right or top right of the app, depending on your device. Tap on the menu to open it. In the menu, look for the Friends option. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to tap See More to find it. Once located, tap on it. This will take you to a page showing people you may know. From here, go to the top left corner and select Friend Requests. This section shows friend requests you've received. To view the ones you've sent, go to the top right, tap the three dots, and choose View Sent Requests. Here, you'll see a list of all the friend requests you've sent. If you want to cancel any of them, simply tap Cancel next to the name, and it will be removed. You can repeat this for as many requests as you'd like. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.